Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to copy, paste and how to use the clipboard on MSI Thin A15. There are two ways of copying or pasting, so I'm gonna show you them first, then I'm gonna show you the clipboard, which allows you to store copied items, like a few of them, of the recently copied ones. So I'm gonna go to Notepad just to type something down. Then I can just select it like that, and I can either click on Ctrl+C on my keyboard to copy it, and then Ctrl+V to paste it. I can also use that control, but this one is closer. Or I can right-click on that item, so let me show you that as well. Just right-click on something and click on copy, and if you have anything copied then you can paste it. And by the way, you can also cut things by either clicking here or Ctrl+X on your keyboard, and that, let me show you the cut first. You see it disappears but stays in my clipboard, so now I can paste it, and as you can see it is just cut from one place and can be pasted somewhere else. You can paste it multiple times. I can also select all of that, click on Ctrl+C to copy it and paste it again. So this is basically pasting and copying. You can copy and paste images, files, text, documents, whatever you need, and whatever can be copied. Then I'm gonna show you the clipboard. So as I click on Windows and V on my keyboard, you can see this is the Windows key, so click on these two, then it'll open the keyboard. And if you're opening it for the first time, first you need to turn it on. I'm gonna turn it on, and now you can see this is my recent item. Then if I'm gonna delete it. If I, for example, copy this now, then when I open the clipboard, you can see these are my two items. I can pin one of them so it'll not vanish, because it only stores a few items in the clipboard, not everything from the past. And to paste it, I'm gonna, for example, click here, then click on Windows V, select the thing that I want to paste, and it'll paste it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.